Hi, I'm Raghu Venkatesh, co-founder of Anscer Robotics. We focus on general material handling purpose, where it can be tugging, pulling, lifting, and tunneling applications. So Anscer Robotics empowers companies to move more workload all the way from 250 kg to 1.25 tons. When customers look for automation solution, they're very expensive and non-affordable by small and medium enterprises. So we wanted to solve this problem by ingeniously building robots that are made in India for the world. So we built robots that are easy to use. Any operator on shop floor can use our products, and it is modular where it can be upgraded and downgraded as the technology evolves. So we started our journey in July 10, 2020, ideating how to build mobile robots. We realized that if you build a robot using off-the-shelf industrial-grade components which can make repair and support accessible to anybody who buys a product around the world. After 36 months of product market fit and research, we came out with our AR series, which is completely modular, where every single component in a robot is off the shelf. By making this, we have supply chain in 60 plus countries, and now customers who buy our product can self-manage and repair these robots by reducing their operational expenses and enabling more small and medium enterprise companies to adopt robots. The time for a person to learn our software is less than 30 minutes. So we incorporated a no-code platform where by just having a basic arithmetic understanding, customers can just program the robot and change the behavior of how the robot has to work. When we joined the AIC program, the program was how to take a prototype to a product stage. By meeting these industry mentors and attending master classes, we were able to gain knowledge and apply those in our businesses. By doing this, we were able to build a product that was completely acceptable for market in a very short period of time. So we got one introduction by THub to one of the largest logistics player in India. By doing this, we were able to identify a very scalable use case and nobody doing, that is called our pallet mover, which can work all the way from smallest warehouse to very large warehouse. When we were building our hardware, we had a lot of challenges by understanding how to mass manufacture our hardware and go to market. So we joined the THub AIC program, where we got a lot of insights on how to structure a product, how to build a roadmap. We were able to meet the right stakeholders who shared us this information and ensured that we complied our product to US and EU standard. By doing this, we understood that today our product has become a world-class product where we can ship it to anywhere in the world, any facility, any company in the world can use our products. And this is a game changer for a startup, because it usually happens like after a couple of years of production and product maturity. And all this happened because of THub and their connections and ecosystem, which played an important role. So why I encourage any entrepreneur to work with THub is market access. By directly going to a customer, there are a lot of challenges, but going through THub, your customer is already in a pre-mindset, they have to help you and nurture you. So I recommend anyone who has a product and figured out what to do is to work with THub, where they can help you scale and do it in a very short period of time. And I'm one of the person who went through this journey and saw success.